The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, welcome back. In the previous class, we have discussed curved surface area and total surface area of a cone. Today, we are going to discuss on volume of a cone. Okay, let's see a video. To calculate the volume of the cone, we need to compare it with volume of a cylinder with the same base radius and height as the cone. For this purpose, let's use a hollow cylinder and a hollow cone that base radius r and height h of the cylinder same as that of the cone. Let's fill the cone with water and pour the water into the cylinder. Repeat this until the cylinder is completely filled with the water. Observe that the cylinder is completely filled after 3 rounds. From this, we can conclude volume equal to 1/3 of cylinder. So, volume equal to volume of cone equal to 1/3 pi r square h. So, volume of a cone equal to 1/3 pi r square h, where r is the base radius and h is the height. Okay, the first problem, the base radius and height of a cylindrical block of wood are 15 cm and 40 cm. What is the volume of the largest cone that can be carved out of this? Okay, so the base radius and height of a cylindrical block in the base radius and height 15 cm item 40 cm item tannittunde. Here we have to find out the volume of the largest cone that can be carved out of this. ആ സിലിണ്ടറിൽ നിന്നും ഒരു കോൺ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ലാർജസ്റ്റ് കോൺ നമ്മൾ എടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ വോളിയം എത്രയായിരിക്കും എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Okay, so for that we can draw figure. This is the figure. When a cone of largest size is carved out of the cylinder, there is no change in the base radius and height. Okay, so volume of the cone equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, so 1/3 into pi into 15 square into h equal to 40. Okay, so 1/3 into pi into 15 square can be written as 15 into 15 into 40. Okay, we can cancel 3 and 15 at 5 times. So now pi into 5 into 15 into 40. So the answer will be 3000 pi centimeter cube. So volume is in cubic unit. So the answer is 3000 pi centimeter cube. Okay. Next problem. The base radius and height of a solid metal cylinder are 12 cm and 20 cm. By melting it and recasting, how many cones of base radius 4 cm and height 5 cm can be made? Okay, so the base radius and height of solid metal cylinder, അതിൻ്റെ base radius 12 cm ആണ്, height 20 cm ആണെന്ന് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ബൈ മെൽറ്റിംഗ് ഇറ്റ് ആൻഡ് റീകാസ്റ്റിംഗ്, മെൽറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഹൗ മെനി കോൺസ് ഓഫ് ബേസ് റേഡിയസ് 4 cm ആൻഡ് ഹൈറ്റ് 5 cm can be made. This is our question. So at first we have to find out the volume of the cylinder and volume of the cone. Okay, so volume of cylinder. Okay, volume of cylinder is, we know that pi r square h. Okay, so pi into r, the radius equal to 12 cm and height equal to 20 cm. Okay, so pi into 12 square into 20. Clear? So pi into 12 into 12 into 20. Then volume of cone. Volume of cone. So base radius is 4 cm. R equal to 4 cm and height equal to 5 cm. Okay, so volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so 1 by 3 into pi into r square, that is 4 square. We can write 4 into 4 into 5. Okay, now volume of cylinder equal to pi into 12 into 12 into 20 and volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 into pi into 4 into 4 into 5. Okay, next we have to find out the number of cones. Recast. Number of cones recast. Number of cones recast. Okay, so that is equal to volume of cylinder by volume of cone. Okay, so volume of cylinder is pi into 12 into 12 into 20. Pi into 12 into 12 into 20 divided by volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 into pi into 4 into 4 into 5. 1 by 3 into pi into 4 into 4 into 5. Okay, so we can cancel pi and pi. Then 4 and 12 3 times and 4 and 12 cancelled at 3 times and 5 and 20 cancelled 4 times. So we'll get 3 into 3 into 4 divided by 1 by 3. Okay, so pick 3 into 3 into 4, that is 36. 36 into 3 by 1, which is equal to 108. 108. So number of cones recast equal to 108. 108. Next problem. The base radii of two cones are in the ratio 3:5 and their heights are in the ratio 2:3. What is the ratio of their volumes? So the base radii of two cones are in the ratio 3:5. Then so let's consider the radii as 3r and 5r. Okay, then the heights are in the ratio 2:3. So heights as 2h and 3h. We have to find out ratio of their volumes. Okay, so let's consider radii as 3r and 5r. Okay, then heights 2h and 3h. 2h and 3h. Okay, then ratio of their volumes. Ratio of their volumes equal to 1 by 3 into pi into 1 by 3 pi r square h. So here radius is 3r. So 3r into height. Height is 2h. Okay. So the ratio can be written as in the form of division. Then 1 by 3 into pi into then 5r into 5r into 3h. Okay, so similar terms we can cancel. So finally we will get 3 into 2 divided by 5 into 3. Okay, so 9 into 2, 18. 18 by 5 into 3, that is 75. So 18 by 75, that can be written as 18 is to 75. So when we simplify this, we'll get 6 is to 25. Okay, let's wind up today's session. Focus area of this chapter is over. See you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.